got Zandile Gumede, who shared a very powerful message with some MK party members who went there to the Durban High Court to support him. You know, this lady is so very powerful. I never ever heard anyone from Umkhonto weSizwe speaking like that lady. And to me, I was like, if they will have a person like this, it means there's hope for the MK party. Wait, I will insert this clip for you. I want you to listen. That lady is very powerful. If I was the ANC in that region, that side of KZN, I will be lamenting. I'll be crying for to say that we have lost a great comrade there. So I want us to talk about the court case, about what was the outcome, what is the court case about. But I'm so interested because Jacob Zuma sent a message directly to Zandile Gumede, warning her to go and tell the comrades of the ANC that have joined the MK party to say that they must be aware that if they misbehave and they become ill-disciplined, Jacob Zuma will immediately, with immediate effect, fire them.
I guess for an example, ngithola ukuthi kunabantu ababekwe lapha kodwa abangakwazi ukwenza lutho. Ngeke ngithi ngoba wabekwake asisezi ukwenza lutho. Ngizomsusa. Ngifaka umuntu ozokwenza into lapha ekungena khona. And uyabona ngikhuluma kanje ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi sikhona sonke la. Khona nodadewethu nangu ophethe lapha eThekwini. Ngifuna ufika abatshele ngoba indaba iseThekwini.
You know why I feel this message is important? Remember that many ground forces of the MK party, they were crying foul and sabotage, saying that a lot of the people who are coming from KwaGogo, coming from the ANC to join Umkhonto weSizwe, they are given our position. And we know that if things are like that, we will see corruption, you will see favors. But Jacob Zuma says that, no, I know the influence, I've heard the stories, I know that there are some ANC people who have come to Umkhonto weSizwe for position. Now Jacob Zuma sends a message direct to her, because you must understand the politics of Jacob Zuma. Jacob Zuma tells Zandile Gumede, the most powerful figure in KZN, to say that speak to your comrades, send your comrade a message to say that we don't want people who will cause destruction in this political party. You know, when she went outside the court, the MK party comrades were ready to receive her. I say that those were ANC comrades who just switched and now we're a new regalia of the MK party. Now MK party members, the same people that were supporting her, are now coming, in addition, even bringing more numbers from the MK party side. So they received her gladly and they were so very happy just to shower her with support, but instead she motivated the MK party members and called for the unity and call for forgiveness.
Weprovince eKwaZulu-Natal. Ngiyabonga maqabane kakhulu ungamkela kwenu. Eselokhu ngafika emkhontweni noma bengingafiki kodwa sengivele obala kusethi isasasa nenjabulo nako konke kube khona kube simangaliso. Angifuni ukukhuluma ngosikhwili phambana noBhoko bayazazi ukuthi benzani. Kodwa ngibonge futhi namaqabane amanye athe mayibothi khona la ishayise khona asondela saxoxa sakudlulisa lokho. Into engifisa ukisho yile, njengoba sisokhethweni niyaza niqala kuba sokhethweni, ukhona unyathela nobhozo, ukhona ukwenza ungenzi kahle, ukhona lokho nalokho. Wesike Umkhonto weSizwe party musha useyingane esancela ubisi, akakaqini ngisho ukhakhaya, kuningi sazofundisana khona. Angathi mabe khona okunyathelile ngendlela ethile usuyokubamba ke kuze kuyosithela. Twitter uza kwenu noma ivolunteer elinye njengengane yakini endlini, ngoba egcineni kosuku usabandawonye. Akufuneki ukuthi busuthi ngeke ngisaphinde emkhulumisa ubani, akufuneki ukuthi ngoba kukhetha ubani ngeke ngisambheke, ngeke ngisavote wakusenjani. Ngiyacela sibe nokubambisana maqabane. Umonakalo makhona la kukhona esingenzanga kahle khona, ngoba uma ngenzanga kahle uzanele kusho ukuthi nama ngenza kahle. uma ngenzaka kahle uSihla noma angifuni ukuthi ngithi uma kukhona abangenzaka kahle, no, siyi-collective. Njengoba ngisebenza eThekwini region, ubaba wathi ngiyosebenza neTheku, sengiyi-collective yaseThekwini. I must own up okubi, own up okuhle. So siyanithembisa maqabane ukuthi sihlafuna sigijima, uyavalwa ayisi mhla 28. So yingakho sizama ukuthi siqoqane. Okubalulekile kunako konke ukuforja i-unit. I-unity ke inzima ngoba uku-unite ngisho ubone ukuthi akufanele, kodwa for the good of organization ukwenze lokho. So ilokho maqabane ngicela sihambe nakho ukuthi ake siyeke ukuthukana kuma-group, ake siyeke ukuthukana personal, ake siyeke ukuyitshengisa iqhwage engakanani, ake sazi ukuthi ake nifunde abanye benu ukulawuleka, nifunde ukuphatheka, because abanye bathi ngeke ngitshele usibani bani.
And the MK party members, she said that the party is like a little baby that will face trials, but what is important is the love that they have for one another, that they must forgive one another and they must be patient with one another. And I was like, this lady is powerful. I never ever heard anyone from the MK party speaking like this. I've heard many people. I've heard even Jacob Zuma himself delivering different speeches. I've heard the likes of Floyd when he was in the MK party, and those who have left the MK party. I never heard someone just giving a simple motivation, but that is so powerful. It means that was not just a person or a mother speaking. That was experience, because she understands that the MK party is still young and there's more battles and faction, because it has attracted a lot of people into the system of the MK party. So now she's saying that no, do not be heart-fainted, do not be at ease, just take it easy, be patient and understand one another. What is important is to cherish love amongst your comrades. I never heard that from the ANC. I never heard that anywhere. I never heard even speaking like this in the ANC. Maybe I was not following her, but this time around, now I'm convinced that one there, that lady there will just create MK party to be something. She will in fact contribute to the MK party to be something. But unfortunate part, this lady is facing some corruption, right? Because Zandile Gumede appeared at the Durban High Court on Monday facing accusations related to the Durban Solid Waste contract. Among the 22 defendants in the case, they are all facing accusation of money laundering, racketeering, and corruption and fraud. Of 320 million in municipal waste management contracts, the charges against Gumede are still pending in court and the defendants have not yet been found guilty. And one of Zandile's Gumede's co-accused was absent on Monday, which delayed the proceeding. The accused number 15, Bongani Dlome, was walking in the Bluff area on Saturday when he was hit by a car, according to the court, and the matter was postponed. So it is said that that matter is still on investigation, so they were not found guilty yet, but they will come again for another session, because this was the second time where she was attending this court case. So we don't know what will be the outcome. We will just hear as the proceedings, they are still ongoing. So what's your take on this, the motivation and all what Zandile Gumede has said to the MK party? I'm puzzled. It shows that she's a woman that is very matured and a mother. She understands the children of the house, of the party, and say that no, this is now the solution. Work in unity and love one another. This was a powerful message. What's your take on this? Just imagine Zandile Gumede, few months there. It's been 3 months, 2 months, few months there. Already she's contributing too much to the party. So the KZN, the MK party is like KZN. They are celebrating. KZN already it's a given for them. They are celebrating because Jacob Zuma just positioned this. I know Jacob Zuma wanted to fight back, especially the GPU, of taking back KZN to make that political point to the ANC to say, I'm in charge, I'm in power. What's your take on this? Please leave it on the comment section below, and you can subscribe to this political YouTube channel, and let us meet on the next video, and take care.